Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of clicking to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve eyes mask. Yeah, it's called eyes mask, or let's say sleeping mask. Yeah, something like that. So what I did was that I used a template of a piece of paper to cut out this fabric, and also this what is it called again? Is it interface? Yeah, it's called interface. I also cut out interface using my template that I drew on a piece of paper. So basically I just applied glue on top of the interface and I placed the fabric on top to make it thick. You understand? It will help to make it thick. It will help to make the fabric very thick. Then I also did the same for the other side, the other fabric, which is the black one. That will be at the back of the eyes mask. Yeah, just watch me as I do the application. So now we've gotten our back and front. The black will be at the back, while the Ankara fabric will be at the front. Yeah, that's just how I want it. So what I did is to apply more glue to the entire interface, then spread it out. Yeah, and then I place the other one right on top to make it one. By so doing, I will have a very thick eyes mask, just like that. Why I'm using glue is because of those that might not have sewing machine. Most of these YouTube videos, they always show you how to sew it round, but then if you don't have sewing machine, you can as well use your glue. Yeah, that's just it. So now I'm going to try to correct the edges by covering it with this black piece of fabric. So just sew that black piece right in on top of the fabric, just like that. And then when we are done, we'll just turn it over, like flipping it over to the other side, just like that. Yeah, just like that. When you're done sewing round, you flip it over. Yeah, that's basically it. Then after flipping it over, what I did was just to hem the other side, like just attach the edge of that fabric, then hem it round to give a finished look, a neat look. So guys, we're done. Here's our sleeping mask. Yeah, that's just it. It's very easy and very affordable. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.